the father of two number 8211, who linked with Pink in 2006 number 8211, recalled the intense moments when his 3-year-old son Jameson was extremely sick. Speaking on the Jason Ellis show from SiriusXM, he revealed, "It was intense. They both became extremely ill. My son probably had the worst of the two, which contradicted the whole theory that it only hit the elderly. My wife also had problems. She pre-existed, you know, she has asthma. It completely attacked her lungs and chest, and she was having trouble breathing. The family stayed at home throughout March to make sure they didn't get the virus. He explained, "I came home, I didn't show any symptoms. So we were following the path that most people take, which is, I don't want to get this, and we are entering a complete lockdown." The symptoms started to go up. Number 8230, we probably stayed at home for another 10 days, then my son got worse. And Jameson had to fight the high temperatures for several weeks. Carey said, "He would have an extremely high body temperature, I mean it was about 102, 103, for a solid 2, continuing 3 weeks in a row. The kid was in the bath 4 or 5 times a day trying to break his temperature. And then, Alicia gradually got worse. So finally we made the decision to head to our little place in Los Angeles to be closer to our pediatrician and my wife's doctor." Read more showbiz editor choices. He added, "So we ended up in Los Angeles for 5 days, and then once their symptoms started to subside and get behind us, we went home." This comes after Pink generously donated $1 million, £815,000, to emergency funds after being tested positive for the virus. Do you have a story to sell? Contact us at email protected, or call us directly 0207 29 33 033.